Cat simulator today, and yeah, and it's still loading. It doesn't take forever, but it's like it takes one by one. You can see that already. What thing I do? I don't know. You can just do it. Thing. Let me resume. So this one's named Neon Cat. The other one's named Neon Rex. I don't understand what's this about. I don't like, why do you need everything like this? Are you gonna go in the bed or something? Cause there's no need for that. People won't see your house, so that gives me the choice to leave it plain. Okay, let's get out the house. Oh, I don't want to really be like house cats, but just get 10 of my homeless cat. Now let's go defeat those dogs. Let's not get in the way of the cars. Well, there's a million. There's a multiple. How? There's a multiple of them. And I don't want her. Her to level up. I want Neon Rex to level up. So we're just gonna go around trying to get animals because apparently, I'm trying actually to just level up so they can get a baby. And she's only level 7, and you have to be level 10 level feet. She'll defeat for me, and then she'll get me some speed. See? Right there. Let's just keep on getting animals. I really don't want to get the ducks. They're too aggressive. They get you, and then the cars go like so fast. They don't even stop. Where a stop sign goes, and you know. Oh, there's rats over there. Well, a rat, just a rat. I wouldn't want to say they go by set. Ow! See, they go so fast, and they ran a lot. And they ride so fast. Okay, what is that mouse? Oh, there's a million of them. There's a multiplier of them. See, they travel in 3-pack. I would say that. Oh gosh, I wasn't able to just do that. That was near water then. Let me just eat this. So I can get some energy. My mate's gonna eat it right here. 'Cause I didn't give her any food. Apparently you weren't running before, so I'm gonna just get you. So you're just gonna walk away after you get in the level 1 man. Okay. I'm gonna find you. Okay, I leveled up to level 8 now. But I'm nowhere gonna be close to level 13, I can tell you that. Yeah, just saying. Let me just head on to... Let's head on to over here. Oh my god! I'll just head on to our home. Well, I don't really want to. Let's go get those jackals. Now, the storks, they get on my nerves, by the way, because I don't like this stuff. They're supposed to be delivering babies, and they're over trying to kill some cats. I don't want to waste all my energy, but jackals are not that hard to get, because they're kind of slow. I thought that would be, fast as a jackal. But, they don't, see, they cry like babies. Well, they don't cry. They are yummy. Wait, you leveled up? This is so not fair. And then you just betray me. Betray me. Let's go get the other jackal. She tried to save her life. Yeah. I'm only playing with a male for one reason, because I just got this mate just like not that too long ago, and the other one, she's a level, yeah, Neon Cat, she's a level like something like, I think it's a 13. Well, she was just a 13, now she's a 14. And she keeps on leveling up, so it's not fair. But I don't blame her, because she keeps on doing everything. And yeah, so she's a level higher. Because I played on multiplayer the first time I got her. I played on single player a little bit till I got something like 2 or something, and then I gave it. So yeah, and then I went to single player to get my mate, and I got my mate when I was level 13. Yeah. Let's get these rats. They shouldn't be scattering on the road, because cats can't get them if them cars are going all around the road. See, look at that. Then I had to run all the way to the car. And I have low health from defeating a rat. It's like there's a boss battle. They like go on the world road, and then the car just start running into you. They're slow. Where's the other rats? Who cares? Let's just go get the rat. Oh god, almost ran me over. Let's go get the other rats. Until I am strong enough to go get those, whatever they are called. Until I'm strong enough to get those people you call, not people, those storks, the little babies. I need to pick this up so I can move out the road. I don't got no time to be in the road, because I don't really want to. Yeah, so let's just go past the storks to the jackals. Are they aggressive? I don't know. There. Okay, now he is stuck in the middle of nowhere now. Wait, no, he's not. He's smart to go up there, but not very. Let's run out of here before some storks ambush us. Wherever my mate went, she gets no food. Yeah, she gets no food. Okay, let's just put this down. Did you just cry? Okay, you are very greedy. You like literally eat with me or something. They didn't like it. And then they move like right to the road. Who does that? These storks. Birds don't even fly on the road. They go way up in the sky. I thought, the first time I played, I thought they were gonna go down on the ground and then run away from you, fly up to the sky, then start pooping on you. So I didn't know. Those when I was, I don't know, a noob at this game. It's only like 1 day ago. Oh, well. We don't want to get ran over. Let's go over here. Yeah, it's going to be a better target for this guy. Oh, some water we can drink, so our energy would be up. Like, we would be like so up. Hey, move it. I get the food. Oh, I'm gonna go get that spider over there. By the way, spiders are not aggressive. They're like the easiest things on Earth. On the Earth for this game. Let's go to the spiders. Actually, I don't feel like going to spiders. Well, no. There's like a bunch of them. They sound creepy, but they're not. By the way. I think they can get you. Oh, that one disappeared already. Let's just kill this one. You got that one. I don't really want to get that one because that one's just gonna go somewhere. I don't want that. Okay, so I'm about to level 10 so I can get the baby. But that'll be in the next video, by the way. And they have a vibration of the little cat mimics. See? Anyways, guys. See you guys in the next video. And yeah. Because I don't feel like doing a baby video because it might be so amazing. And I can't wait to get the baby because I'm a level 10 right now. And it says a level 10 bond. And right now it's going to be an ad, so let's do it. Actually, I'm not going to skip. Nice music! Oh my god, now I can't skip. Anyways, guys, I'm back. And it says, to get a kitten, both now they at least be a level 10. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, goodbye and see you later.